we have our beautiful First Watch inspired morning meditation juice. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. So today we are making the famous, the viral, everybody's favorite First Watch's morning meditation juice. I had this juice at brunch a few days ago and it was so good. I always get it every time I go to First Watch, and I've created it before, just not for you guys here on YouTube. So I figured, why not, let's go ahead and make it today. So for our ingredients today, we're going by their recipe. I'm just using my own quantities. Beets, oranges, I'm using mandarin oranges, but you can use whatever you have at home. Lemons, ginger, turmeric, and then some agave. So I'm just going to go ahead and prep all of our ingredients, and then I'll come back so that we can make this juice. Today's video is going to be very quick and easy, so make sure that you're following along with me and paying attention so you don't miss anything. All right, let's get started. As I was saying before, this juice is literally a crowd favorite. This is one of the most popular juices on their menu. So now that all of our ingredients are prepped, let's go ahead and get this juice started. What we'll do today is juice our oranges, lemon, ginger, and turmeric together, and then we'll do the beets by themselves so that we can make that beautiful layering effect that they have in the restaurant. One thing I love about this juice is all of the benefits that the ingredients have. You have so many ingredients that help with inflammation, digestion, as well as boosting your vitamin C. So I'm using about 2 pinky-sized pieces of turmeric. About this much ginger. So I would say it's about pinky-sized too. You can gauge as much ginger as you like. And now we'll go ahead and start juicing the first layer of our juice. And I almost forgot, today I'll be using my Namaje 2. You guys know this is my tried and true bestie. I absolutely love this juicer. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, it would not be me if we did not have a mishap. I didn't even have this closed all the way. So we got a little bit of juice already in here. Okay, so I think that part is done. And I am using my strainer for the juice container for the Namaje 2. I like to make sure that it filters out anything that may come in through the juice side. Our first layer of our juice is going in now. All right, now let's go ahead and juice our beets. I'm using 3 beets. Let's see how much juice that gets us. And I know what you're thinking, why didn't I cut them up? I'm using the Namaje 2. I don't have to. You hear that? She knows what to do. Let's go ahead and release this juice so that we can mix our beautiful concoction together. So first, what I'm going to do is go ahead and add in some agave. I'm just gonna eyeball it. About that much. How I like to get the layered effect is by taking a spoon, and we're just going to put the spoon at an angle, and we'll pour the juice over it. All right, so we are all done. We have our beautiful First Watch inspired morning meditation juice. Let's go ahead and give it a try. is so good. I think it just might be better than the restaurant. Mixing it together, you get all of the flavors combined, and it's just such a delicious juice. Perfect for morning time. The kick from the ginger, it'll definitely wake you up. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and that you were able to follow along and make this delicious juice at home as well. Let me know in the comments if you tried this juice at first watch or if you plan to. And also let me know what recipes you'd like to see next, restaurant inspired or just something that you come up with at home. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on socials, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh my God, all my pictures.